To stream Xfinity on Roku, start by ensuring you have an Xfinity subscription and a compatible Roku device. Next, go to the Roku Channel Store and search for the Xfinity Stream channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel to install it on your Roku device. Once the channel is installed, launch the Xfinity Stream channel and select Sign In. Enter your Xfinity username and password to authenticate your account. If you do not have an Xfinity username and password, you can create one on the Xfinity website. After signing in, you will be prompted to authorize your Roku device to access your Xfinity account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once authorized, you will have access to the Xfinity Stream channel and can start streaming live TV, on-demand content, and cloud DVR recordings. To access the Xfinity Stream channel, go to the Roku home screen and select the channel from the list of installed channels. You can then browse through the various sections of the channel, including live TV, on-demand, and DVR, to find the content you want to watch. To get the most out of the Xfinity Stream channel on Roku, make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough to support streaming. A minimum internet speed of 25 megabits per second is recommended for smooth streaming. Additionally, ensure your Roku device is running the latest software to ensure compatibility with the Xfinity Stream channel. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to regularly check for updates to the Xfinity Stream channel and your Roku device. To ensure you have the latest features and security patches, you should also be aware of any data usage limits on your internet plan, as streaming can consume a significant amount of data. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily stream Xfinity on Roku and enjoy your favorite TV shows, movies, and sports from the comfort of your own home. The Xfinity Stream channel on Roku provides a convenient and user-friendly way to access your Xfinity subscription. And with the right equipment and internet connection, you can enjoy a seamless streaming experience.